Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at MP materials. It is time for an update, and on this chart we have been attempting to track an impulse to the upside where we had a wave 1 up and a very deep wave 2, to the point that I may even consider that we should start our count in this uptrend from here instead. But regardless of that, we were looking for a third wave to the upside that failed. So right now I don't really care where the bottom really is, because I'm looking to either build a larger wave C to the upside in this area that would be in a diagonal structure, or an initial larger wave 1, and otherwise we would be looking for failure, because tracking this third wave to the upside has not been easy before either, because the internal structure doesn't suggest such a pattern working out necessarily, where this could basically work out as 1, 2, 3, 4th, and the 5th, but the internals don't really line up. And now, not even to the upside did we manage to create an impulse within the expected time span of this correction. And if we now turn this into an A, B, C structure, this wave 4 would probably extend out of proportions to really have any sense for such a wave 2 correction in such a pattern. So honestly, I think it is time to grasp reality basically and shift this structure into a diagonal, where I am still looking for a larger 5-wave structure to the upside. That is no change, and it could even, actually no, it couldn't be a third wave. It could still even be part of a third wave to the upside, where this would be an initial larger wave 1. That would be fine, but it would have to be within a leading diagonal, where this would be an ABC structure to the upside in wave 1, something like that. Could also have the wave 1 top here, and then this be an ABC structure in the actual wave 3. But regardless of that, I am still looking for support and to actually complete this internal wave C to the upside, where so far I would consider that we have the wave 1 instead top here, a wave 2 down here, a wave 3 still in the same place, a wave 4 possible to bottom here, but then I would need still to complete a clear ABC structure to the upside within the wave 5, which so far is not yet achieved. Now, it doesn't have to be the case that we have already bottomed in this wave 4. This could extend into a larger ABC structure and basically reset this correction, or this bottom in a wave 4. But now I would like to track this adjusted support zone for a diagonal wave 4 overall, where I would allow for this correction, because this wave C to the upside is an ending diagonal. I would allow a correction in such a wave 4 to reach the area between the $64.5 level all the way down to the $43.5 level at the 61.8% retracement. And as long as that holds and does complete within a somewhat reasonable amount of time, we can still track a 5th wave to the upside to still develop. And assuming that there is a bottom here, it is possible, but right now I do want to also leave on the chart the possibility that this is an ABC structure that could still be ongoing here with the orange scenario, where it was something like the WXY pattern in the wave B, and we could be heading already in the C wave to the downside in that case. Now, assuming that we have formed the bottom in the wave 4 already, what I could track to the upside is an initial wave A up, a wave B down, and then here, doesn't look too great. We have what could be a 5-wave structure to the upside, a wave 2 correction, and then I would see at 1, 2, and then another 1, 2 here, possibly. I don't think we reached sufficient levels to consider this reliably a third wave to the upside. No, we actually did. So technically in this push to the upside, we could be looking at a 1, 2, a third wave that would still be unfolding, and then a 4th, and then a 5th to the upside within this ABC structure. But I have to say, it does look very fragile, and I think it may be towards the end of the support zone for such a wave 3, where I would allow all the way down to the 50% retracement for this idea of an internal wave 3 to be possible in this area, because here we have 1, a 2, a 3rd, a 4th, and a 5th, and in that case I would need the third wave to reach, let's see, the $91 level, and yeah, so far we have only gotten to the 100% extension, and it is only in a 3-wave structure. Now this could extend in a way that, yeah, this could be a 1-2-1-2 setup and still allow this impulse in the wave C to work out, but it would need to really hold. Then we can allow lower support zones all the way up to the $74 level, and other than that, honestly, not much is really plausible within this interpretation. If this structure fails to hold this 78.6% retracement, the $74 level, and it even breaks below, yeah, this low here, I would have either to assume that, yeah, one last thing could actually be possible, that this is still a wave 1, this is the wave 2, and then this would be an ABC movement to the upside in the wave 3. It would then shift into an ending diagonal in the wave C, and in that case I could allow support all the way down to the $72 level. And yeah, if that even that breaks, we do have some structural support in this area, but then I would most likely be looking for a reset in this wave C to the downside. So it is a bit difficult to get a very clear and small area of support. I would basically focus generally here on this pattern, that this could be an ABC structure to the upside, because it would encompass all the support zones that would be relevant, and we did already reach it. So yeah, for me, breaking the $71.5 level, which is even below the 78.6% retracement, would be a first great signal that, yeah, this is the C wave to the downside in the orange scenario unfolding, and that we are likely heading back into the larger support zone between the $64 level all the way down to the $43 level at the 61.8% retracement. And for now, these are the levels. This is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. And until then, I hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.